guys, this is Virtual Records. I'm going to be doing a video on the wireless keyboard for Mac. Here it is. Alright, so this is the wireless keyboard for Mac. So yeah, look at this is how thin it is. Very thin. The MacBook Air. Straight from the sides. That's the place where you open the batteries. Just get your nail or anything and turn it and the batteries come out. Let's turn it around here. Oops. And then that, you press that right there and the Bluetooth button will go on. And I'll turn on the keyboard. I don't know if it'll show on the camera, but when you click that button, there's, as you can see, it's silver. There's no buttons there, there's no holes, anything. If you click that, a green light will appear. Let's see if you could see it with the camera. I don't know, because it's not that bright, but oh, see it right there? That's the green button. It's actually pretty cool. That controls my my keyboard, and yeah, it actually feels really nice when you're typing. Has the play button for iTunes. Has the volume button, of course. The keyboard does not have a volume button, aka Windows. And a jack button. Yeah, it's actually really thin. I'll show you the back of it. Can't really see the Apple that well. I don't know if you could see it. And yeah, that's really it. I don't know. I'm just showing you how it works. It actually, for me, works pretty good. Like, it's nice and smooth, and I like it because it's not too big. Like, I can put it down by my bed over here, just place it down, and just control my computer from there. And yeah, I like it. I recommend you get this one if you have like a desktop. Don't get a wired one. Saves you the wires and saves you the mess. And I will be doing my Mighty Mouse review. My Mighty Mouse. Let's give you a little quick look on it before I actually show it. There's my Mighty Mouse, and I'll be doing a video on that. Probably upload it about 2 minutes after I upload this one. And also include the preferences, what you can do with the Mighty Mouse, the shortcuts that you can the shortcuts that are on the mouse, and yeah, and any of the people that have an iPhone, go visit my buddy iPhone Mod. Go to his website iPhoneMod.org or www.youtube.com/iPhoneMod. He has useful videos on like iPhones and stuff and updates, and yeah, and also please subscribe to my videos, and yeah, see ya.